Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find and get the perfect summer shirt in Berry Avenue. So if you guys look for the cutest and most stylish summer shirt for your Berry Avenue avatar, in this tutorial, I'll show you where to find and how you can get the perfect summer tops on Berry Avenue. So you can just go straight to the avatar and here, click on the shirt, the second options, and search for summer as the keyword. Hit on enter, and in here you'll find lots of summer outfits that you can try. Okay, I've already removed the one that I'm using before, and you can just try on and choose which summer outfits that you like the best. Here you can find some crop tops, some uh tank tops, so you can just choose which one that you think fits with your styles. In here I'm going to, let's say, okay, I'm going to use this ones right here, and then you can search for the pants or the skirt. You can choose which one that you like. Let's use the same keyword on the pants in here. Okay, so there are also summer. You can also use this one. Let's remove the one. Okay, I think I'll go with this ones right here. You can tap on done, and that's it. So this is my summer look. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.